back to the channel. This is an exciting one. We're taking Nessie out on her first ever rock trail. Now, in the last episode, I reached out to you guys and asked, should we do Sliplock Gulch? Should we do Mild Smile? Or should we do Double Sammy? And Double Sammy was the winner. So we're gonna get her out of here, load her on up, and get to the park. Now, the thing that's going to be interesting with wheeling Nessie for the first time on a rock trail is that she is 2,000 pounds lighter than Mischief Maker. Mischief Maker is 7,000 pounds and change. Nessie is 52,000 pounds.
What? Was that wrong?
Yeah!
That is a massive weight difference. I'm so used to doing this trail with Mischief Maker, absolutely solid. I know every single line that just makes Mischief Maker walk through this. We're also 10 inches shorter on wheelbase. So we're at 109 with Nessie, we're at 119 with Mischief Maker. That is going to be a huge difference for me. It's just going to be so different, but I'm so excited to finally get her some kind of rock. Hey, have a great day.
Alright, now the audio I've played with for the past 20 minutes, so this is the best that I can do. I do have a microphone up in here, so we're going to give it a go. Good old go. Switching everything on. We got some people coming in right now. Wow, he's got everything on top of that vehicle. Everything but the kitchen sink, I think. my goodness. Okay, I need to take a little break. By the end of this video, I want you to tell me how many times you think I got in and out of Nessie to set up cameras, to set up cameras. It's crazy. I'm definitely going to have to get in touch with a certain someone and make sure that they're always with me when filming in Nessie, because it's a lot of work. How do I think it's going so far? I think it's going absolutely brilliantly. Very different to Mischief Maker. The problem isn't with the vehicle. The problem is with me, as you probably saw in that first obstacle. The car, Nessie, wanted to go. She was telling me exactly what to do. She was telling me to go, go, go. The rear will follow. Don't worry about it. And I was trying to control her and crawl her like Mischief Maker, which obviously is not going to work. This vehicle is not made for crawling slow. The Atlas transfer case is 3-to-1 on this one. Again, Mischief Maker is 5-to-1. He could practically crawl around this mountain by himself. So I am under no illusion that it's going to take me some time, quite some time, to get used to her and have her as my second skin also. Mischief Maker, it's like wearing a glove. I hop in him, off we go, we do our thing. This one, I have to stop trying to be so in control of her. She's got it. She's grounded, she's rooted, and she just wants to go. She's ready to go. When I put this thing in 4-low, you can just feel the power, like I said, just push on through. So yeah, very, very different, but I am so happy that we came out and we did this. Now, the plan is to race KOH. A lot of you have been asking how my back is doing. It's doing fine. The bone is all good, ready to rumble again. Has been for about a month now. And the only time it hurts is honestly the muscles. And it's normally when I'm stressed out and I'm holding myself in a very weird position, which is what I'm feeling today. But other than that, I'm really taking care of everything. So don't worry about that. I'm going to take a couple more minutes just sitting here, me, the girl, and the views, and then we'll hop back in. If you're looking for some Christmas gifts, we do have Seattime Syndicate hats. We also have very few Mischief Maker hats left. We have hoodies, t-shirts, sticker packs. Get your order in the next couple of weeks so that I can get that out to you in time.
she's loaded on up. I'm loaded on in. I've got Stanley. Love my good Stanley.
Long day, water bottle.
Out of 10, how do I think today went? An 11. Honestly, I really, not to be pessimistic, I'm never this way. I thought something was going to go drastically wrong. And the fact that it didn't, it cut out a couple of times. It didn't really want to start. I have a feeling that's something to do with the transmission, but don't quote me on that. I don't know, but we're going to have to look at her and tweak some things. Of course, this is a never-ending project like any off-road vehicle. But as you can probably tell, I'm on a bit of a high right now. But now we got to get her to the shop, unload her, get a single car trailer, throw her on there, and head to California for a couple of days. So the day is not over for me yet. As always, I want to thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And remember, how many times did I get in and out of the vehicle? Leave your comment below. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching.